We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about LawnMaster LT502-1800A electric pressure washer. Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27th. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories, and now Amazon Black Friday are started. Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of LawnMaster LT502-1800A electric pressure washer, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Introduce, overview, summary or highlight features. The LawnMaster LT502-1800A electric pressure washer is the perfect tool for a variety of cleanup jobs and can be used on siding, driveways, cars, windows, and more. Easily target dirt, grime, oil, and rust using the 0 to 45 degree adjustable nozzle to control the water pressure. This unit features a total stop system for added safety by automatically turning off the motor when the trigger switch is disengaged, which in turn will extend the product life as well as conserve energy. Equipped with large sturdy wheels, a comfort grip transport handle and cord storage, the pressure washer is easy to maneuver. We will provide safe and timely deliveries from our US-based warehouses on all our LawnMaster products. Contact our professional support team for any issues or questions. Response turnaround time is 1 business day. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.